McDonald's gave him the wrong order.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. This person went through a McDonald's drive-thru,
Oh, I heard about
looked in
this.
his bag, and saw that he received the wrong order.
Oh,
he got $5,000 in cash instead.
Yeah.
What is this? Why would they do this?
That's
he
insane.
decided to be a good person and return the cash.
You guys laundering money out here?
Oh my God! You are a blessing from God. God, I really want to give you a hug.
What was that
Free
for?
McDonald's for a month, I guess.
Oh, really? Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yeah. Ooh, he's snitching. Everybody, he's snitching. Hey, dude, get back.
Hey guys, we'll be chugging a Dr. Pepper for Happy New Year's. Alright, well, Happy New Year, guys.
Damn.
This gorilla did not like how this girl was beating on her chest.
Oh, yeah, you don't want to do that, man. You do not want to do that. Oh, damn. All right.
Here's a pretty easy science experiment showing how to bend light. When the lights are off, you can see how the laser bounces off the walls of the water stream.
Ooh, science. Wow. That's kind of cool.
Oh my God, I swear to God, this thing just looked at me.
This guy trained his cat to turn on the Xbox.
Big man, I need the Xbox on, please. Thank you.
Bro, like, this is so dumb. Look at this.
Is that Luca?
I'm taking a. I can literally see over the.
Oh, that's not Luca. You want to come in? It looked like Luca Doncic. It wasn't him though, I'm pretty sure. Damn.
So this is pretty cool.
Foghorn.
The gas stations in Japan look a little different.
Whoa.
All the hoses just kind of hang from the ceiling.
How the hell do you use them? You have to go inside? They lower it? Why?
This has got to be the saddest baby I've ever seen.
Aw.
I'm sorry. Oh my God. What'd you do? Oh my God, I scared him.
It was so cold in Minnesota that this YouTuber decided to make some artwork using toilet paper.
Spray until it's thick enough to hold the roll.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
This dog got upset when this guy stopped petting.
Like, excuse me?
Poor little guy was stressed out.
Hey. What the hell's a rat doing out there? Oh God, dude. The cat doesn't know what to do.
This is how quickly they engrave names on a trophy after someone wins a tennis tournament. The engraver waits to see who wins and then immediately goes to work. After a few minutes, the trophy is ready for the presentation.
Oh, cool. I always just thought there was two.
That is the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed. And
Aw.
I'll see you guys again very soon.
Oh, so
Later.
worried. Dentist uses too much anesthesia.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. A dentist needed to numb half of this woman's face for a procedure.
I just got done at the dentist. I like, okay. Okay. Fine, but like, ready, this is me blinking.
Oh!
Nobody was hurt, and the guys shook hands afterwards.
That's funny.
They gave their dog sparkling water to see how they would react.
Sparkling water. Honestly, man. Sparkling water sucks.
Hello, no. Hello, no. Check. No.
I don't have a driver's license, but I've never been in an accident, so.
Well, like you've never had one, or you just didn't renew it, or?
How did Uber allow you to sign up?
Well, you work for Uber, right?
Guys, can you keep it down? I'm trying to sleep.
We just surpassed a world population of over 8 billion people. This
God.
is what it would look like if every human on Earth stood next to each other.
What's like the ratio here? Is that New York or something?
You got some right here. Whoa. You got some right here. You got some right here.
I found a very interesting Twitch streamer.
Hallo.
Hallo.
Jo, Digga, du bist das älteste Baby, das ich je gesehen
Oh
habe.
my god.
Danke, Bro, danke.
Thank you, bro.
These guys asked an officer if the person they pulled over got a ticket.
Yes, right, bigger. They did get a ticket.
You got donuts?
Donuts. You got donuts?
Okay, good
That's
one.
funny.
These workers had to use explosives to dig through a tunnel.
Damn, dude, that's sick. That's sick. Oh my
This
god.
dog does not like getting kisses from mom.
Aw. It's the Andrew Tate dog.
These guys recorded a time-lapse video while working on a project. Can you tell which one has ADHD? This is probably the greatest way to ever win a game of dodgeball.
Damn. That's a satisfying sound, though.
These people put their phone down and ran towards the beach, but recorded these strangers making comments about them.
They're crazy. They're nuts. They're either trying to sober up real quick for a reason, or they're just nuts. And she's got a killer body.
There's a
She's got a
comet that
killer
passes
body.
by Earth every 50,000 years, and one of my subscribers captured video footage of it moving through the sky. That is
Cool.
the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again
Aliens.
very soon. Later.
Guy saves dog hanging from elevator.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. Someone was walking their dog when the leash got stuck in the elevator.
Oh
It took
god,
a few
that's so
seconds
scary.
for this person to notice the dog hanging there.
Oh shit, I didn't even see it.
This person released the dog from their harness, and the dog was unharmed.
Oh god, luckily it was, oh jeez, man, that's scary. Aw.
These parents found out that their child has a meltdown whenever they move with them.
Why?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got reverse right here. That's your clutch. That's your brake. That's your gas.
Is it like a dog or
Take
something?
This down whenever you're ready to go. You got that all?
When I turn into a grown up, I don't want to be a fat grown up. I want to be a skinny grown up.
You know any fat grown ups?
You? Oh my god, dude.
I think this is the first time I've ever seen a bird get jealous.
Damn.
Door. If you're haunted, say.
I think this kid is gonna be a future vegetarian.
Yeah, that's chicken nuggets.
No.
You have chicken nuggets? Yeah. It's made out of chicken. That's a chicken.
This is why you shouldn't fall asleep on the subway in New York City.
Oh no, dude. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh, that's disgusting, dude. Oh. What is that cat on?
Because of the sharp decline in bee populations, scientists are trying to build tiny robots that can artificially pollinate plants.
Oh. Oh. Oh, that's kind of sad. Ugh. Future, man.
Stop. That hurts.
Got a diaper on?
Moira, that hurts. Ow.
Fucking little Billy
This
goat.
influencer on Instagram thought he was getting arrested, but this police officer just wanted to get a picture with him.
He want a picture with him.
It's this poor little hamster's very first time
What the hell?
interacting with humans. Don't worry, the hamster
Aww.
eventually calmed down.
Aww. Look at it, man. It's so scared.
It is possible for a ski resort to get too much snow, and this is what it looks like.
Oh, shit.
I am
That's
currently
a
in the
lot of
Cayman
plow.
Islands, and I recorded this sunset to share with all
The
of you.
Cayman
That
Islands,
is the end of this
whoa.
video. I really
Sick.
hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Original content. Thanks, DDoS.